Hello everyone, I am Bhanvadia from Engineering Industries LLP.
Myself, Parth Chandravadiya. I am from Engineering Industries LLP. We are in solar EPC business along with single-axis solar tracker manufacturing since 2019.
So we have completed more than 100 megawatt of solar project installation with GoodWe inverters. We have a collaboration with GoodWe since 2019, and since last 3 years we are using GoodWe inverters exclusively. Most of our generation is for 7 to 8 hours in a day at full peak load, and for that reason we prefer GoodWe inverters as it is working at very good efficiency. We have witnessed the growth of GoodWe from 80 kilowatt inverters to 250 kilowatt inverters with increase in safety and advancement in technology. So why we prefer GoodWe inverters? That is due to the safety interlocks, SEMS portal, after sales service from the GoodWe team.
Safety interlocks which GoodWe provides is the best among the all other inverter suppliers. The delivery timeline, whatever they have committed, they meet their delivery timeline. Service support of GoodWe is excellent. That's why we are choosing GoodWe in our every project. Since 2021, we have installed our own manufactured single-axis block trackers along with GoodWe 250 kilowatt inverters. We have achieved the highest solar power generation yield at this project during May 25, which is 9.1 unit per kilowatt in single day. With the combination of our manufactured single-axis tracker and GoodWe inverters, you can get the highest generation in Gujarat state.